And Dr. Deepak Chaturvedi, MD Medicine, now joins us live on the broadcast. Good morning, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. This study by the Washington University is very, very scary. Even as I read it out, we are already going through an extremely bad phase as far as COVID infections are concerned. And the study says that it will only increase further, and so will the deaths. What's your take, first of all?
See, we don't need any study to actually anticipate how things are going to get worse in our country. The study was conducted at, somewhere in mid of April, and yes, it is giving some sort of true but pessimist number that the death in India can increase uh, even to more than 5,000 per day. Situation is grim. Infection is spreading very fast. People are not still accepting the fact that this COVID-19 second wave is worse than the first wave. They are still having a lot of, rather than having faith in the science, they are still having faith on chance. Yes, it is going to be worse.
But doctor, you're saying that the study is relatively correct, while the numbers may fudge a little. What really is the need of the hour right now? Because as far as the medical facilities are also concerned, everyone is just at it. We see people helping each other out. The governments are doing what they can do. Hospitals are begging for oxygen. There are no beds. The doses of remdesivir or other injections or necessary things needed for this the treatment are under shortage. What really do you think is the need of the hour?
Okay, the need of the hour are the strict provisions to break the chain first. Please understand, we all are going to, get exposed to this virus sooner or later. So either we control the quantum of the exposure, point number one, which can be done only by following the COVID guidelines in terms of using the face mask and using the sanitization, social distancing. So that will never change. That is going to be there till we don't win over this pandemic. Second is the vaccination drive has to be much faster. Today morning, I got a call from one of my friend who was struggling hard to get a vaccine in Mumbai. Can you believe
Right.
that he was going door to door to one hospital to other and the vaccine was not available?
Hmm.
Now there is a big problem happening in the vaccination uh, that at one side the first dose has to be given, and on the other side the people who have taken the first dose, their second dose is pending. So
Correct.
vaccination, though there are claims from the government that vaccination drive is going to be very rapid, but there are certainly issues with the supply of the vaccine.
Right.
So
So,
so
Dr.
so
Chaturvedi,
till
do
we
you
don't
think
do
that the
this,
government
till
could
we
have
don't do
done more? There is a gap yet still, and the government really could have done more, and it still can do more. At this point in time, it's still not enough.
Why? See, now please understand. We are not able to make. I would like to go in, three steps. One is we are still not able to make people understand. I'm talking about the people who have not got the COVID, that COVID is a serious issue. Point number
Hmm.
one. So awareness still is lacking. Second is the appeasement is happening. Restrictions are not happening to the mark what it should happen. Yes, India, I'm really sorry to say, but we are in a position where restrictions are important. They are
Right.
mandatory. You can't appease people at this point of time. Third is the hospital, the health infrastructure is already crashed in India because of too much of load coming up. Fourth
Hmm.
is the vaccination drive should have been much faster. Now, what for whatever reason it has not attained that pace. I am not going with the numbers per se, but I'm talking about the percentage of the people who have got vaccinated, and the most important is throwing the ball to each other. Central government putting the onus on the state government putting the onus on the public. So nobody is taking the responsibility. Yesterday some meetings happened, but that happened very late. वो कहते हैं ना कि हुजूर आप आए तो सही पर देर कर दी आते आते.
Absolutely, absolutely, and that's quite an apt thing that you said, doctor. That while we have started off right now, it's a little too late. But what do you think
Absolutely.
right now can help? Because The situation is grim. This study is scary. And like you rightly pointed out, we don't need any studies to actually guess what the state of affairs is and what it's going to be like in the coming days. How can we save ourselves?
Restriction. The most important thing right now is restriction. If there is no life, there is no livelihood.
Hmm.
Restrictions are mandatory, and I would here see. I'm not getting political, but Maharashtra somehow is trying to do that, putting up the curbs, putting up the restriction. Restrictions are mandatory. Intercity, interstate travel should be restricted. Undoubtedly, you have to make a bigger containment zone, not the micro containment zone. Somehow, I am not agreeing with the government policies of making the micro containment zone. In India,
Hmm.
you cannot make the micro containment zone because we have a very integrated social structure. Please understand that, and everybody has to take this in consideration. We have to restrict our movement in between the cities. We have to restrict our movement in between the district. So till we don't restrict ourselves, we are not going to win over this pandemic. I would like to make it in a very simple way. Okay, what we are so one thing is a fact that we all are going to get exposed to this virus today or tomorrow. Now it is
Hmm.
up to us of what quantum or what volume of the viral load we are getting exposed to. So vaccination is one way where it is a very controlled exposure of the viral antigen to us, right?
Hmm.
Second is
Hmm.
when we are moving out in a very restricted area, our chances of exposure to a high dose of viral load is definitely very, very low. And above that, if we people, I'm talking about now the citizens of India, if we people can really follow the COVID guidelines from and which is the most important thing, we can win over this. Now, then comes the hospital infrastructure and other things. If we are able to contain the quantum of infection, definitely the load on the hospitals will go down, and we will be able to save the people who are in a critical state, right? And when the load on the hospital is a bit better, lower than today, definitely the survival of the patients would be much much better. And very
Right.
very
And
important thing is
okay.
all. One more point I would like to raise here
Right.
is
Yes. Yes. Please go
like in
on.
the state of Uttar Pradesh, I am observing. See, I am in Mathura since last 2 weeks. I just came
Okay.
here for certain social issues, and I am finding here that government has barred the private labs to do the RT-PCR test.
Hmm.
Patients are
Hmm.
running pillar to post and they are not able to get their RT-PCR test. So till
Hmm.
we are not getting the test, by the time they get the test in government setup, 7 days are gone. Patients are
Right.
already
Absolutely.
serious. I am in
Absolutely.
Mathura and
And
I am dealing with nothing less than 20 to 25 pneumonia patients, and they are not having RT-PCR report with them. How to
correct.
handle
And
them?
we are
They are
talking
going to
about, in
die.
fact,
They are
at this
going to
point in
die.
time, getting the report results as soon as possible. And here you are talking about Mathura, where RT-PCR tests are not, in fact, happening at all. That's really a grave situation, doctor. But very quickly, a comment from you. You know, people are also very vaccine hesitant even now. The study also says that vaccine may be able to save maximum lives, more than 70,000 lives. People are still hesitant to get the vaccination done. Those who are getting vaccines are also not possibly getting the second dose as well. What would you like to say through our through our channel to people who are hesitant about the vaccination?
Palakji, vaccination is the final, you can say the arm what we have. Vaccination drive has to speed up. Now, everybody above 18 in India should get vaccinated. People, I urge people, I request people, please don't hesitate about taking the vaccine. Please come out, take vaccine, go to your vaccination center, take your vaccine, take the second dose on time. But more importantly, I request the government, the authorities to arrange the vaccine for them, and the communication should be very smooth. People who
Hmm.
have taken the first dose are not getting any intimation or message about their second dose. I again repeat here, again Mathura. I had to give the second dose of vaccines to my parents, and I had to wait for 10 days to give them the second dose.
Right, and that's when you
So
are a doctor yourself, doctor. It really gives out the situation in the country. If a doctor like you is facing certain issues with your friends and family, we do understand how the
Madam,
situation
I
is
am
right
not able
now.
to arrange
Yes.
oxygen yesterday. I was struggling for 4 hours, and I did not finally got the oxygen for the home health
Right,
care of a
right.
isolated patient. अब
And
भगवान ही
that's
उन्हें
really
बचाएगा.
worrisome.